Hello friends, here I am with an amazing nutrient-dense sprouted ragi flour, rich in vitamins, minerals and enzymes compared to regular ragi flour. Sprouted ragi boosts its nutritional value to almost triple, also makes it more digestible and absorb well. It's an excellent source of calcium, iron, fiber, protein, amino acids, antioxidants, plus it's completely gluten-free. You can use this flour in many dishes instantly, like in idli, dosa, smoothies, rotis, appe, etc. No need to soak again, since it's made with soaked and sprouted grains. Before we start, here is an important tip. Never use parboiled ragi for sprouting, as grains are partially boiled and dried, prevent sprouting. So how to identify which ragi to use? Parboiled ragi will be labeled on the package as parboiled, and grains will be more darker in color, whereas regular ragi looks brownish. So go for whole unprocessed ragi for sprouting. Let's get started with sprouting. Take 1 cup of ragi in a bowl. You can always double it based on your usage. Wash 1 to 2 times to remove any dust. Then soak in water for 12 to 24 hours. Soaking helps soften the grains, reduce anti-nutrients like phytic acid, easy to digest, absorb, and makes them ready for sprouting. After soaking, drain the water completely and transfer to a cotton cloth. Since grains are tiny, cloth works better than sprouts maker. Wrap the grains well and spray water on cloth to speed up sprouting with moisture. Let them sprout for 2 to 3 days depending on room temperature. Whenever cloth gets dry, spray some water again to keep it moist. You can see sprouts popping out through the cloth. Notice how nicely grains have sprouted. In general, ragi sprouts a little longer than other seeds, so comparatively takes more time in winter. Let's see quick do's and don'ts for sprouting. If you can and have time, sprout ragi. It's definitely worth it, as sprouting helps to boost the nutrients, improve protein quality, and easy to absorb. Otherwise, dry the soaked grains well. If ragi doesn't sprout much, grains might be old stock, or over soaked, or parboiled. In that case, go to next step for drying. So ragi needs to be unprocessed, not polished or roasted too. Once sprouted, it's time to dry them completely, as any leftover moisture spoils the flour quickly. Sun-dry sprouts for 1 to 2 days, or until turning crisp and dry. As you see, sprouts shrink a little with drying, which is perfectly normal. Next step is dry roast lightly in a pan on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes in 2 batches. Keep mixing in middle. This step enhances its aroma, flavor, and shelf life. Also removes any leftover moisture. So don't over roast, otherwise gets burnt flavor and darker flour. Let it cool down completely. Sun drying and light roasting on low flame, grains retain almost all the nutrition. Now it's time to blend. Add small batches of sprouts in a jar. Grind into fine powder. As you see, my flour is soft, aromatic, and perfect fine texture. If you want, you can sieve the flour and regrind any coarse granules. Let it cool down before storing into a airtight container. It stays fresh for up to 2 months. Absolutely fresh and nutrient rich. Enjoy this simple, natural way to multiply nutrition in everyday meals with sprouted ragi flour. Hope you like my ideas and awesome options. See you again with many more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.